You can see what time of the year it is. It's Christmas, ideal time for bareroot planting. It hasn't got too cold yet, so the ground should be still quite warm. I've got a great selection here. I've got birch, I've got beech, copper beech, alder, hawthorn, and a Douglas fir and noble fir. Aren't they gorgeous? I got them all from albeit, which is if you live in the north of Scotland, that's really where you go for your really good trees. I'm going to plant them today. I'm going to use some of this. My sisters, and I do listen to them, said, no, you must put mycco-rhizal fungi, you must get these into the roots to give them a really good start. We got some of this as a free sample actually from Empathy from the Horticultural Trade Show in March. But this is the pellet form, and Lauren Lane, they know something, these things, they said, no, you must use this, dip the roots in the gel. So I've got this and I'll be diluting this and dipping the roots in and getting them in today. This is the mycco-rhizal fungi. So it's like sort of the consistency of wallpaper paste, which is what it's supposed to be, with these granules thinly spread, or evenly spread rather through it. Sort of, you kind of want to jump in it, doesn't it, and smother yourself in it. Gorgeous. Look at my trees now, my little saplings. I've been putting them in today. That's only half of them in actually. I'm sure my sisters will say, oh Caroline, you've got the density wrong, they're too close together, planted the wrong ones at the far end, etc. I don't care though.